Okay, so today we are working on problems 19 through 21 and finishing off the homework. For problem 19, we are going to be using u substitution. Remember, we're going to be substituting u. We're going to be substituting 1 over x minus 2 for u. So when we plug this back in, we'll have u squared plus u equals 2. We're going to subtract that over so that we have a quadratic. When we factor that, we have u plus 2, u minus 1. So u can either equal -2 or +1. Now we need to solve that for x still though. So we'll have -2 equals 1 over x minus 2. We'll multiply the denominator over. We'll have -2 times x minus 2 times 1. And that's going to end up with x equals 3 over 2. For our second part of this, we'll have 1 equals x minus 2, or 1 over x minus 2. So x minus 2 equals 1, x equals 3. So our two answers are 3/2 or 3. For problem 20, first we need to find the LCD, so we're going to factor each of these. So we'll have 6x minus 1, x minus 2, and 6x minus 1, x plus 3, and x minus 2, x plus 3, and what we have for that last one. So our LCD is going to be 6x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 3. Now we need to multiply this by each of our fractions. So we have our first, second, third, and our fourth. For our first fraction, we have x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 3. Remember to leave the denominators factored, just so it's easier to cancel out. Our second one, I'm just going to write down the answer for, and that would be 5x minus 2. The third one will have just 6x minus 1, and the fourth fraction turns into just 1. Now we need to plug these back in. So we have x times x plus 3 plus 5 times x minus 2 equals 6x minus 1 minus 1. Distribute this out. Bring everything to one side. And set equal to 0. Now we can factor this. We'll have x plus 4, x minus 2, we're going to say x equals -4 or +2. And the last thing for just algebra 2 is we need to check this and compare it to our LCD. So we can see that the x minus -2 is in our LCD, which means that this is extraneous at 2. Again, that's only for algebra 2. If you have any questions on any of this, just let me know and I can help answer those. For number 21, that is something that you have to decide what to do for. And that ends this homework video.